How you guys doing? My name is Chad. I'm with Johnson Smokers. Going to do a quick video for scale. This is an ultimate Chargrill trailer on our website. Basically a 4x8 trailer. I'll do a walk around here in just a second. 24-inch pipe main chambers, 24-inch pipe firebox, 1/4-inch steel. You got a 20-inch diameter vertical, 20-inch diameter charcoal grill. The charcoal grill is independent of the rest of the smoker. In other words, you got a charcoal pan in here, you got your little vent you flip open. You can be grilling steaks or whatnot here on this unit, and then the rest of your pit, you can be running it as a smoker at the same time. So this unit is totally independent of the main pit. All the racks are slide out. All square tubing frames, heavy duty C-channel. They slide all out. They can take completely out, completely back in. They're all heavy duty stuff. You can put your own weight on this rack right here. You won't bend anything. It is a reverse flow smoker. You'll probably notice on my website, that's what we pretty much specialize in. We've got 3 different kinds of smokers, but the offset fireboxes for me are always reverse flow. My frequently asked questions has a little section on how that works, and you can call me as well. But basically getting the heat and smoke to this end, comes out from underneath our tube, goes in contact with your cooking racks and goes out your stacks. The reverse flow process has been around a long time, but there's different ways that you can actually make it work. But in our case, we use a tube that's in the bottom of this chamber. Slide the racks back in. Charcoal grill has its own stack. The doors have the flat strap seals. We got dual stacks here and dual vents on the firebox. Your vertical chamber has a vent that basically is a flip open and shut vent. It's about this big. That'll open and shut to let this use it either as a smoker, or when you shut it, it can be used as a warmer. Once again, I wanted to just do the video so you guys can basically see a scale of the size of this unit. What I'm gonna do now is grab the camera here and show you guys basically the rest of the trailer. 4x8 trailer. There's a wood rack opposite the smoker, runs the whole length of the trailer. We can do a stainless steel top, as you see right there, for people who want to do prep on it. Standardly, we would not have a top on there. It would just be a simple wood rack. Basically 4x8 trailer, real compact smoker. We sell a lot of these. Competition style people use this a whole lot, as well as people that are getting started in catering. It's a good start. Smoker itself is about 24 square foot. You can do quite a bit with it. It's not a huge smoker, but it's a perfect smoker for, like I say, for competitions or people that's just getting into it. Got any other questions? My name is Chad with Johnson Smokers. Visit our website, give us a call, and I can help you out with any other questions you might have. Show you one more thing before I forget. Firebox door on the back is open. We got a wood rack down here in the back. If you can tell, heavy duty wood rack. I'm going to shut this door. Self-tightening handle right there on the door. Push the handle down, it tightens up the firebox door back there. All right, guys, I appreciate it. My name is Chad. Give us a call, and look forward to doing some business with you guys. Thank you.